Hey, how's it going guys? Phil here, and this is a review for the battery base for the Echo Dot 2, model number S1. You'll receive the battery base, a metal disc, a micro USB to plug adapter, and instruction manual. The base is compatible with the second generation version of the Echo Dot. The Echo Dot does not have an internal battery. Instead, it needs to be plugged into power via the USB cord at all times, which usually means it needs to stay near an outlet. However, with the battery base, you can get portable power with the Echo Dot and use it on the go, as long as it's still in range of your home Wi-Fi network. The base is about the same size and dimension of the Echo Dot. It has a micro USB charging port, barrel-style output port for use with the included adapter, and 4 LED battery life indicators. The base has a 5200 mAh battery, which can last about 6 hours of continuous use or 8 hours on standby. It takes about 4 hours to fully charge. Note though that it doesn't come with a charging cable, but you can use the one that came with your Echo Dot. The inside of the base is magnetic, and you're supposed to stick the metal disc onto the bottom of your Echo Dot, but this step is optional, since when not in the base, your Dot would no longer be able to use its non-slip silicone foot. Once in the base, line up the power port of the Dot with the power port in the base, and plug both sides of the adapter in at the same time. There is no on-off switch for the battery, and when plugged in, it will turn on automatically and stay on. Now I can use my Echo Dot without any wires. The battery base makes it easy to take Echo and Alexa with you from room to room. Alexa, play some classical music. Alexa, stop. Alexa, what's the weather in San Francisco?
In San Francisco, California, it's 75 degrees Fahrenheit with clear skies and sun. Today's forecast calls for more of the same, with a high of 75 degrees and a low of 50 degrees.
This is nice if you only have one Echo Dot and need to use it in multiple places. However, the battery won't last all day, and eventually you'll need to plug it in again. The other thing you should know is that if the battery pack is charging while you're using the Echo Dot, when you unplug it, the Echo Dot will momentarily lose power and reset as the battery switches from AC to DC power. So the experience there might not be entirely seamless. Also, sometimes the base won't charge with the Echo Dot installed, and I have to remove the Echo to charge the battery pack on its own. Otherwise, it works exactly as advertised. I hope you enjoyed this review. You can ask me any questions in the comments. I'll put a link to the product in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and join me next time.